Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So on the Solana chart, we haven't really seen much movement since yesterday. So it's since my last video update yesterday, the price pushed a little higher, but really all we've seen is a test of the 38.2 retracement. So we have seen an initial bounce and a test of resistance, but not yet a break above resistance. But I think we could potentially see this move up from the Saturday low as a potential micro 5-wave move up. These are, of course, micro structures and really not substantial enough to confirm a low in place. What I would want to see to really confirm that we've bottomed is a 5-wave move up above resistance. So I need to see more than this, even though I have to say the structure from the Saturday low looks already somewhat promising. Yeah, this could indeed be a 5-wave move up, but we got rejected from resistance. So we don't really have the break above resistance I need to see for a first indication of a low, but a 5-wave move up is already a little bit helpful. So that means at least we can track Fibonacci support because the micro 5-wave move up at least allows us to consider that wave 2 has bottomed here on Saturday. We've also seen a bounce in the stock market, which was expected because the market was very oversold, at least the indices. And crypto is following a little bit, and nothing major yet. Let's see how the days develop in the next sessions. But I can call this potentially 5 up. Now, I've added support. That doesn't mean this needs to be tested, but it means that it could be tested. And if we get there and the bulls show up and we break above this high, I think that would increasingly increase probabilities that we have actually bottomed. So essentially what we want to see here, the 5 up. Okay, maybe we've topped. I mean, this would be an ideal spot because it could also be the top of the wave 4 in white. Then a pullback if it's corrective and we hold here, see an impulsive reaction, break above that high. That could be, you know, the step to the to testing $183 next, right? That would be the next objective for the bulls then. Obviously, all of this is way too small to confirm that this pullback is done. But this is the area where we are watching for a reaction, and the price has only entered this area on Friday. Another dip now with a more meaningful reaction. I would not rule out one more low, which could then take the price to $152.34. And if we see an upside reaction that's impulsive and that takes the price above resistance, it could indicate that we are starting the larger move up again, or continuing rather, that we continue with a larger move up. That started already in April. Just to show you that 1-2 setup I just showed you on the smaller time frame is related here to the AB structure that developed from the April low, to the May high, then a corrective pullback into the June low, then here a 1-2 setup. And yeah, if we now see a bit of upside momentum, this could be the beginning of the third wave, of wave C, then a fourth and a fifth. Now, in this particular structure, if we zoom out, you see that what happened down here is really not very meaningful. Okay, not yet. So we need a little bit more evidence. The upside reaction from the June low was a little bit more promising, but definitely worth tracking as we have approached a certain turning point, or at least a potential area of interest where the buyers could step in this support zone, yeah. And the micro support zone is between $158 and $162. So that's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, feel free to join us on X as well for additional updates and some videos even of coins that we don't normally cover on YouTube. So check it out if you're interested. See you over there. I'll post a link to our X channel in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.